the most requested video, and yeah, I am doing it finally. So before moving on, all I want to say is thank you so much for giving me an amazing response in my previous video. If you have yet not seen my previous video, go. In that video, I have collabed with international girls. They are from Russia, Romania, Turkey, Ukraine, South Korea, India, that is me, and Australia. So go check it out. The link is in my description. So the very first question is, firstly, you are so cute and have a great confidence. Thank you so much. Tell me the secret behind your confidence. Well, according to me, I think that sitting all alone in a room and talking to camera is not a big deal. But personally, I recommend that I surround myself with positive vibes and positive people. Next question. Why do you start making videos for YouTube? Because I wanted to create a fun place. Can see a family apart from the 5% in my family. Do you go for night outs? Yeah, one day I was trying, but this happened.
Can I get a lift, bro? Bro, I have to go for a night out. Hey, hello. Bro, lift, bro, lift मिलेगी मुझे night out करना है. Bro, I want to go out. Bro. अरे रुको, bro. Bro, where are you going? Bro, night out. Come back.
How is life in India? I wish I could get there one day. Life in India is full of culture, love, tradition, but currently lockdown. Your reaction when someone call you Kriti Sanon? Yeah, a lot of people say that I do look like her, but I literally find it clueless. And my reaction when someone call me Kriti Sanon is, if you were able to meet any YouTuber, who would it be and why? Yo, good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog, obviously more vlog. And the reason why? The reason is that I want him to give me a ride in his Lamborghini. Woke up as a YouTuber or woke up as a professional dancer? YouTuber. Who's your inspiration in your life to make such a beautiful, great videos about yourself? Please reply. Tejaru, Carrie, Ashish, Dolly, Movlog, Sydney, Komal. Your YouTube channel is like you always wanted to do or it just happened? To be honest, it just happened. मेरे साथ कभी डांस करने का मौका मिला तो कैसा महसूस होगा आपको? Basically, what are you aiming for? So right now I'm shooting a YouTube video, so can say 10k. So I guess 10k ही चलेगा. तो again shamelessly promoting myself. Hit subscribe to my channel. आप अपने YouTube करियर को आने वाले 2 साल में कहाँ देखती हैं? What is your definition of love? Well, I think that love cannot be defined, but yeah, it is a feeling that can give you the most beautiful daydreams and the best happiness. What is the destination for the trip of your dream? A trip to Paris, I guess. पेरिस में आईफिल टावर पे, बट या आई गेस इस टाइम कहीं भी चलेगा. मुझे कहीं भी लेके चलो इस टाइम. हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट विद यूट्यूब? लाइक दिस. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट हिंदी सॉन्ग? Next question. Bro, all I want to say that you can't compare YouTube to TikTok. That's it. Do you like cartoon shows? Yeah, there was a time when I was pretty much obsessed with Oggy and the Cockroaches. Even I have mentioned in my very first intro video. If you haven't watched that video, go, the link is in my description. It is named as 50 Random Facts. But now I am more into YouTube videos. If you woke up as opposite gender, what would you do first? I think I'll go to the washroom. What are your plans for future? I mean, do you have something that you wish very much? To be honest, I wish to be extremely happy and successful. That's it. Which thinks your relationship needs to thrive? First of all, I'm not in a relationship, but I think that trust is the most important thing about a relationship, about being in a relationship, either it's with family, your parents, your relative, or friendship. If you could jump into pool of something, what it would be? I think pool of diamond. Yeah. अपने क्रश का नाम बता. वैसे बदलते रहते हैं, but currently लिव इन. When you were little, what did you want to be when you grow up, and do you still want it? So when I was little, I wanted to become one of the beauty pageant, but I think not now. What will you do when you get famous? I mean, like a professional YouTuber. Right now, I'm not a one, but I will let you know when I'll become one. What is the silliest thing you have heard people say about you? Currently, I am fed up of hearing that Shivangi, you have now become famous. So I wanted to check it out that am I famous or not, and I did this.
Stop the car, I'm famous. Hey, stop. Hello. Stop. Look, I'm not famous.
What is the most important thing a guy should understand about a girl? That a girl can never ignore her family. What did you think was cool then when you were young but isn't cool now? I think this version of Shivangi is much cooler than the younger Shivangi, but yeah, I miss my little fingernail. I met with an accident where I had some issues with it. Party kab de rahi ho YouTube queen? Do you have a boyfriend? No. How did you start dancing और कैसे अपने उस quality को पहचाना? So once I was at my terrace area and then this happened. Just kidding. It was my precious time and I was that time not very much sure about my dancing. तब से मुझे लगा that yeah मुझे डांस करना चाहिए. When did you know you wanted to start a YouTube channel? The very first video I uploaded on 1st of January 2020. Don't have time, sorry. Yo! What thing do you want to be in your life for the people who love you? Extremely successful and happy. I think वो भी यही चाहते हैं. Which city do you live? Sultanpur. 12k marks. Don't judge me 80%. How old are you? I am currently 18. I will turn 19 on 19th of July 2020. So don't forget to wish me. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be? My birthplace. Do you have any pet?
I have a pet. His name is Crow. He is black, but I'm not a feminist. What? Feminist? नहीं. जो एक बार धोखा दे सकता है वो दोबारा भी धोखा दे सकता है. जो एक बार दिल से उतर गया वो समझो उतर गया. So it's better to maintain a distance.
So if you like this video, give this video a bright blue thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any kind of question you want to ask to me, then comment down below. I will surely be featuring it in my next video.